In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a media asset database tool like Pexels or Pixabay inside your Chrome workspace. To get started, open your Chrome workspace and make sure the media asset tool you want to use is available and ready to access. This could be a built-in integration, a browser-based panel, or a tab you keep open alongside your project. The goal here is to keep your asset search close to your working area so you can move quickly without constantly switching between different apps or windows. Keeping everything in one workspace helps streamline your design process and makes it easier to stay focused. Once the tool is open, go to the lookup bar and type in your search parameters. Be as specific as you need to be so the results match the kind of graphic you're looking for. For example, instead of entering a broad term, you can use a more descriptive phrase that reflects the style, subject, or purpose of the image you want to place in your design. After entering your keywords, look for the filtering options and choose transparent PNG. This is an important step because transparent PNG files are especially useful when you want to place an image on top of another background without a visible box or unwanted edges around it. Using the correct filter right away can save time and reduce cleanup work later. Take a moment to scan the results and make sure the assets you're seeing are actually transparent PNG files and visually fit your project. If the results are too broad, refine your search terms slightly and keep the transparent PNG filter enabled. A small adjustment in wording can often produce much better results. When you found an asset you want to use, return to your canvas and highlight the target container or artboard frame where the image should go. This step matters because it tells your workspace exactly where you want the asset to be placed. If you skip this and nothing is selected, the image may land in the wrong location or come in as a separate element that needs to be repositioned manually. Selecting the correct container first makes placement more accurate and keeps your layout organized. As you work, it's a good habit to double check that you've selected the intended frame before inserting anything, especially if your design contains multiple sections or nested layers. That extra second of attention can prevent mistakes and help your workflow feel much smoother. And that's the process for using a media asset database tool like Pexels or Pixabay directly inside your Chrome workspace.